friends. It is Vlogtober day 27. What you have just seen is roast dinner that I made this evening. Chicken and some mixed vegetables and roast potatoes. I have not been a good vlogger this entire week. In fact, I forget when the last footage that I recorded even is. Last Monday, maybe Tuesday. It's been a complicated week. I didn't get a lot done on the floor. I was not feeling well on Thursday, so I didn't do anything that day. And then I went, let's see, Friday, I did another application of some stripper on the floor and scraped up some, and then I went back and did a second, and some of that footage may be in here, but I still have some on the floor that I applied and I have yet to scrape up. So it is definitely drying out, but it'll be fine whatever it is. And I think that was the touch-up layer, the go back and hit the spots that I missed layer. Anyway, so I worked all day yesterday, very busy day, and I just was not feeling the greatest. I woke up in the middle of the night with like a weird sensation in my throat. I just felt like something was in my throat. But I looked down my throat, looked in the mirror, used a flashlight. I did not see anything in my throat at all. I didn't even look red or irritated or anything, but definitely when I swallow, I would feel something. So this morning when I woke up, I still was not feeling great. Still have like a little bit of congestion, sort of, a little bit of a cough, a little bit of stuffy nose, headache kind of thing. Just weird, not super intense symptoms, but enough to just make me feel like crap and tired. And then later this afternoon, my son came down with like the same symptoms, so it must be some kind of a weird cold that's going around. It's just a strange sensation in my throat. It does not feel like a normal sore throat. It just feels like something's in your throat. Very, very bizarre. Anyway, but I just laid around today, did some knitting, resting, took a nap. So, you know, I felt well enough to make dinner. So still not, my throat still feels strange, but you know, functioning wise and everything, I was alright. I decided I had planned to make just a quick, easy roast vegetable chicken dinner. And so threw that all in the oven, and I figured I might as well record it since you guys don't get to see too much footage from me lately. It was all very simple. I use frozen chicken breast pieces that I just oil and use seasoning, as you'll see I show in the video, and let it cook in the oven. It comes out really nice, very tasty. Since they're frozen, they can go directly in the oven. You don't have to pre-thaw them, and it just keeps them moist, and the seasoning and the oil are just light, nice roasted chicken. And then I did up the vegetables. I used green beans and cauliflower, half head of cauliflower, carrots, and some onions. Excuse me. And yeah, that was very tasty. I put balsamic vinegar and oil on everything, a little bit of seasoning on the vegetables. Yukon Gold potatoes with the balsamic also, and oil. Salt and pepper. That's basically it. And so that has basically been my day for today, and I hope maybe you enjoyed that little bit of cooking footage. And I am going to have to get up tomorrow morning and really start adulting this week, because I feel like I've really fallen behind this past week. I need to get that floor going, get on top of that to the point of being done. I don't know how far I'll be able to get this week. I don't know if I'll be able to strip it completely, but I'm definitely going to try. That is my goal for this week, is to finish that floor as far as stripping. I don't have any work days scheduled this week, except for this coming Saturday, which is our big holiday open house event, which is always a very, very, very busy day. So I don't want to exhaust myself too much toward the end of the week. But let's see what I can accomplish tomorrow. And I have got to finish out this Vlogtober daily, because I have definitely been slacking and I feel bad about that. But this is my first experience in vlogging, and I definitely promise to improve. And so maybe when I choose to do this again, there'll be more to see. And when I get all this work done, we can get back to knitting and sewing and crochet videos and things that this channel is supposed to be about. Although the restoration is about my house, and that is vintage, so that is included in here. But anyway, I have been rambling for over 7 minutes, and I think I'm just going to say goodnight, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, who wants their dinner? Who wants their dinner? Can you do a dance? A dance? Up, up, up.
Shut up, get mutt. Give me some milk.